I just try to go to the flow, you know?
You go with and go with the godly flow.
Going with the flow.
You're going with the flow?
We're
going with the flow.
I just go with the flow.
Just go with the flow, Phil. Just go with the flow.
What flow?
Just go with the flow.
Just go with the flow. Just gonna go with the flow.
So I shall go with the flow.
We're going with the flow. We're just gonna go with the flow. This is as good as it gets.
This is as good as it gets.
As good as it gets.
Is this as good as it gets?
Is this as good as it gets?
It's as good as we're gonna get right now.
Like that movie, as good as it...
Maybe that's as good as it gets.
Staying alive's as good as it gets.
And that's about as good as it gets.
It's as good as it gets.
That's as good as it gets.
This is as good as it gets.
Buddies, and I don't want to put fuel on this fire.
It adds fuel to the fire.
I don't only add fuel to the fire.
Then you add fatigue and memory loss. It adds fuel to the fire.
To add fire to the fuel.
We don't need to add any fuel to that fire.
With all that's going on, we can't add fuel to the fire.
You can only fuel the fire.
You will only add fuel to the fire.
Tip here is just head over heels for your little Dylan.
Be head over heels, friend.
Head over heels in love.
Head over heels, can't think straight, pining.
I am head over heels, 100% settling for you.
I fell head over heels. I want to be a complete head over heels idiot for one.
I was head over heels, you know? Everyone knew.
I'm head over heels for a girl.
I'm talking about deep, meaningful head over heels, his and her towels.
Head over heels in love.
You're too loud.
To put your heels over your head.
Yeah, head over heels.
Yeah, the complete head over heels idiot thing's pretty nice.
All at Springfield fell head over heels for Lisa.
I was so head over heels in love with your father.
Aren't we jumping the gun here?
Jump the gun.
By foolishly jumping the gun.
I jumped the gun.
I jumped the gun.
I was jumping the gun.
You're jumping the gun.
Hey, so he jumped the gun. Anybody could have done it.
Sorry, I jumped the gun.
Jumping the gun.
We're jumping the gun.
We're jumping the gun.
We jumped the gun before and
You jumped the gun.
You jumped the gun again.
What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. You'd be the one I was meant to find. It's up to you, no, it's up to me. No one can say what we can.